This 5-minute solution will show you how to install Microsoft PowerPoint for free. Open your browser and type here, search for PowerPoint free download, and here you will get bunch of different websites where you can easily download PowerPoint for free. So I'm going to opening this first website, and now as you can see Microsoft PowerPoint showing up here and it's totally official. Click on download, again click on download, and as you can see Microsoft PowerPoint is downloading and its file size is 1.3 gigabyte, and once it's downloaded you will be able to easily install Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer for free. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.